Abathandi bebhola ekhatywayo balapha eGqeberha bebephume ngobuninzi ukuyoxhasa iqela lakwesi sixeko, iHighbury FC, edlala kuMatsei Foundation Championship, nalapho iqela lithe labethwa yiVenda FC ngamanqaku 2-0 kwibala lase-NMU. Sithetha nje, iHighbury FC ihleli kwindawo yesi-5 kwiLoc ngamanqaku ali-18 kwimidlalo eli-11. Umqeqeshi weqela uKabelo Sibiya uphefumle wenjenje emva komdlalo.
The guys tried. Honestly, when you were 10 men, you look better than when you were 11. And it's unfortunate that the youngster, Tunani, after playing so well on his debut match, but I spoke to him at halftime to say he mustn't look down. He played very well. To be honest, I'm very happy about his performance. But honestly, I think we also had chances. To be honest, with a lot of box entries. We were 10. We could have scored 1, made 2-1. It was gonna give us the push. But we need to be honest. Sometimes you just need to accept it. If it's not your day, we kept on trying. We were in the box a couple of times. The keeper made some saves. So we just need to accept it.
Umqeqeshi weVenda FC uKenneth Larson nehlele kwindawo ye-9 kwiLoc kungoku nje ngamanqaku ali-14 uthi uxolile yindlela elidlale ngayo iqela lakhe.
Yeah, I think defensively, as everybody saw, what a solid, disciplined defensive performance. A clean sheet away from home. That's our 6th clean sheet in 11 games. So very proud of the defensive organization of the team. Now the positives, look at Tsepo Mofokeng. What a beautiful goal he scored, that second goal, to win the points for us. But just the energy and the work ethic of the team, I mean, the way we press, it unsettled the opponent today. And that energy, we try to inject into our team. We want to play on the front foot. We want to be in your face and press you high. And I thought the team done exceptionally well in that regard today.
Umdlalo olandelayo iHighbury FC uza kuba ngomhla wama-23 kule nyanga, nalapho iqela liza kube liqubisana kunye neMilford. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV, njengoLinge Gcwabe eGqeberha.